this question here is basically asking us what the main purpose of the passage is to, right? Why does this even exist? What's the point of this passage? So, I think usually when you're looking for main points, the first sentence and the last sentence can really help you understand what the main idea is and what the kind of conclusion is. So if I look at the first sentence, it says, as a slang word, cool has stayed cool far longer than most such words. So that's talking about like how long cool has stayed cool, right? And then the last one is saying the jury is still out on how long deaf and fat will survive. So again, it's talking about how long these things will last, right? So when I look at A, it says address a pressing question. Pressing means like that this is like urgent, right? That it's important. And I wouldn't say that necessarily thinking about how long cool will stay cool is really a pressing question. So I don't think that's a great answer. B says define an unusual expression. Again, it says an unusual expression. That means only one. And here they're talking about many different slang words, right? Now in C, it says note the durability of a term. Durability means like how long something will last, right? And that seems to fit perfectly, right? Because again, in the first one it's saying how long cool will stay cool, and in the last sentence the jury's still out on how long deaf and fat will survive. So it seems we care a lot about the durability, how long these words will last. D, oppose a particular use of language. I don't think he's against using slang, right? I don't see any evidence in here that says that he doesn't like slang necessarily. And E, challenge a linguistic theory. Again, that sounds like a good answer, but there's no theory in here that he's saying, I don't think that this theory is correct, right? If he was doing that, then I would totally like E, but I don't see a theory that he's opposing. So I actually like C, note the durability of a term, talking about how long these slang words will stay cool.